This is Desmodium and ordinary Napier grass intercropping, and the reason as to why the Desmodium here, this Desmodium, have high protein, crude protein compared with the Napier grass here. So I would advise all farmers to intercrop or Desmodium with Napier grass, as you can see here. Yeah, so I have intercropped them, and they are so big. Yeah, so this is a good combination. If you cut this, you let it wilt, then you add like Bomarod or Rusan. That will be a good mixed ration. So you can do it, try. And so for Desmodium, you can plant seeds or cuttings.